The 2024 Ford Ranger Lariat boasts a bold and rugged exterior that reflects its off-road capabilities while maintaining a refined look. Brought to you by Bell Ford. The truck features a prominent chrome grille, sleek LED headlights, and stylish 18-inch machined aluminum wheels. Its muscular body lines and wide stance give it a confident presence on the road, while optional equipment like a sport appearance package adds an extra touch of style. The truck bed is designed with functionality in mind, offering ample space and tie-down points, making it a practical choice for both work and leisure. Under the hood, the 2024 Ranger Lariat is powered by a robust 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine that delivers an impressive 270 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. This turbocharged engine provides a smooth and responsive driving experience, whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling tough off-road trails. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the Ranger offers excellent fuel efficiency and towing capabilities, handling up to 7,500 pounds. Available 4x4 systems ensure optimal traction in challenging terrains, while the truck's off-road package enhances its rugged capabilities. The back seats of the Ranger Lariat offer surprising comfort and space for a mid-sized truck. With ample legroom and well-cushioned seating, passengers in the rear can enjoy a comfortable ride on longer journeys. The rear seats also feature fold-down functionality, allowing for increased storage space when needed. Additionally, rear USB ports and climate vents keep passengers connected and comfortable, making the truck's cabin a more accommodating space for both work trips and family adventures. Inside, the 2024 Ford Ranger Lariat offers a refined cabin that balances rugged durability with modern sophistication. Leather-trimmed seating and soft-touch materials elevate the interior, while practical elements like all-weather floor mats ensure the truck is ready for any conditions. The driver's seat is power-adjustable, providing optimal comfort, while the intuitive dashboard layout ensures that controls and displays are within easy reach. Ambient lighting adds a touch of luxury, creating a relaxed atmosphere for nighttime driving. Safety is a priority in the 2024 Ranger Lariat, with a range of standard and available driver assistance features. Ford Co-Pilot 360, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, helps drivers navigate with confidence. The truck also features a blind spot monitoring system with trailer coverage, ensuring that even when towing, you're aware of vehicles around you. The rear view camera, paired with front and rear parking sensors, makes maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze.
Obey traffic laws, be alert, and use voice commands while driving.
The Ranger Lariat comes equipped with advanced technology features, including the Sync 4 infotainment system with a large 12-inch touchscreen. This system offers seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to access navigation, music, and apps. Wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system enhance connectivity and entertainment options. Additionally, the built-in Ford Pass Connect feature allows you to start, lock, and unlock your vehicle remotely, adding extra convenience. The Ranger Lariat is packed with convenient features to make your daily driving experience easier. Keyless entry, push-button start, and power folding mirrors are just a few of the amenities that add to the truck's practicality. The dual-zone automatic climate control allows the driver and passengers to set their own temperature preferences, ensuring a comfortable ride for everyone. Ample storage solutions throughout the cabin, including a large center console and door pockets, make it easy to keep the interior organized. The 2024 Ford Ranger Lariat offers a perfect blend of power, comfort, and technology in a mid-size truck package. Whether you're looking for a vehicle that can handle rugged off-road adventures or a daily driver with premium features, the Ranger Lariat delivers on all fronts. Its advanced safety features, refined interior, and impressive performance make it a standout choice for those seeking versatility and style in a pickup truck. You can view our selection at bellford.com, give us a call at 602-457-8261, or visit our dealership today.